Out of the 8 cookbooks and 33 recipes that I tried last year, which recipe was the most delicious? I want to take a look back to highlight some of my favorite recipes from these awesome cookbooks, and we're doing this award show style. We're going to take a look at the best starter, best drink, best main, best dessert, and best overall recipe to show you my most recommended meals from the dishes I made in 2021. Starting off with the best starter recipe, this category includes appetizers, soups, or any small dish that comes before the main meal. Nominees are the hot mud crab dip from the Elder Scrolls, the official cookbook, which was super tasty and perfect to share with friends. The Mole Rat Wonder meat dip from Fallout the Vault Dwellers official cookbook. This delicious dip is the perfect addition to any vault party. And the beef menchikatsu from Street Fighter, the official street food cookbook. These beef cutlets are one of Ryu's favorites. And the winner is the beef menchikatsu from the Street Fighter official cookbook. This dish was meaty, crunchy, umami goodness with a crazy good mouthfeel. It's super addictive, which is why I don't make it often, because I would go through a whole batch like it's nothing. Congratulations to the beef menchikatsu. Up next, we got the best drink recipe. This goes to what I think is the best beverage to wash it all down. Nominees are the Nuka Cherry from Fallout the Vault Dwellers official cookbook, which had layers of lovely fruity flavor, but thankfully without the rads. The Nuka Cola Float, also from the Fallout cookbook. The classic mix of cola and vanilla ice cream is always a satisfying combo. And the Sweet Nog from the Elder Scrolls, the official cookbook, which was silky sweet and comforting, a perfect holiday treat. And the winner is the Nuka Float. To me, this creamy carbonated awesomeness is perfect with any meal because it's like you're having a meal, a drink, and dessert all at the same time. And even though it's a Fallout recipe, it isn't radioactive, so thankfully you don't need a lead belly to enjoy this one. Next up is the best main dish recipe. These dishes are sure to steal the show at the dinner table. Here are the nominees. The Braised Deathclaw Steak from Fallout the Vault Dwellers official cookbook. The spices from this will fill your kitchen with intoxicating aromas. The Dragon Breath Chili from World of Warcraft, the official cookbook, which was thick, hearty, meaty, and flavorful. The Lomo Saltado from Tomb Raider, the official cookbook and travel guide, one of Peru's most beloved dishes. The winner of the best main dish recipe is the Lomo Saltado. This dish is ridiculously tasty and has opened my eyes to Peruvian cuisine. Some of the ingredients are hard to find, but there are some worthy substitutes, and I admire that it prioritizes authenticity over ease. Really delicious stuff. Now for the best dessert recipe. Which dish is going to be sweet supreme? Nominees are Blanca's Pineapple Pound Cake from Street Fighter, the official street food cookbook, because I'd like some pound cake. Moser's Magnificent Muffins from World of Warcraft, the official cookbook, which was warm, spiced, iced, and very nice. And the Birch Cookies from the Elder Scrolls, the official cookbook. These sweet mini logs will warm your heart and your taste buds. And the best dessert recipe is the Birch Cookies. I was really surprised by how it turned out. They actually do look like logs, and they're actually well seasoned and had a nice bite, so it's not just for show. A really nice holiday treat. Now put together all 4 winners and let's decide the most delicious dish of 2021. Honestly, this all-star lineup of beef menchikatsu, Nuka Cola Float, Lomo Saltado, and Birch Cookies would make for a fantastic game night dinner, but there can only be one winner. The most delicious dish of 2021 is Lomo Saltado. Never would have I thought that my favorite recipe that I made this year would come from a Tomb Raider cookbook. I love the authentic flavor of this recipe, and I'll be making this dish many times in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to doing more cookbook reviews and cooking more meals for you in 2022. Have a great new year, and I wish you another year of happy gaming and happy eating.